Okay, first one of the day, Kawasaki Z1000 SX. This belongs to a new client. He's going to treat this to one of our full works valeting packages, which will include a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, removing any imperfections, and then we will top it all off with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro 5 years ceramic. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned in some time, or properly cleaned, should I say. We've got quite a bit of detailing, cleaning, decontaminating, polishing to do. So yeah, this would be a good 3-hour job on this. I said it is gonna get the good coating of the Ultimaxx Signature Pro and all the bodywork. We will put the XCP corrosion protection on all the lower half, as it's second-hand and it's quite worn. We usually put the XCP on all the lower half, just to stop with any corrosion. If you see all that white on those, that is corrosion setting in. Get all those discs cleaned up. Chain is looking a little dry for itself. We'll get all that cleaned off, get some fresh lube on it, get it looking like it should, and get it properly protected for the years ahead. Give me a few hours. There you go, 3.5 hours on the dot. This Kawasaki Z1000 SX has been fully trotted, and look at freaking sweet. Look at the gloss on this. This has had one of our full works packages. If you've been following along, you know the steps that have gone through. All done 3.5 hours, absolutely gleaming. Two-stage machine polish, Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic, which is a 5-year ceramic. All the exhaust has been meticulously cleaned, all the collector box, all your end cans, all the disc, caliper. I did dust those wheels with a bit of black on the inside where the powder coating was getting a bit thin, so got nice gloss back, bit of depth back to those wheels. We have polished them, and I've just sealed those with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro as well. Absolutely gleaming. This bike is now fully protected for the years ahead. Get yours booked in now. Spring is on its way. We are getting booked up. Get a space saved. Treat your bike to a bit of trot love. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.